Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix when Counter-Strike 2 is crashing either mid-game or in startup. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your NVIDIA control panel, then go on manage 3D settings, click on program settings, and here you want to add Counter-Strike. So go ahead, add CS2 exe file, add selected program, and then you want to make sure that power management mode is prefer maximum performance, and then triple buffering is on, and vertical sync is also on. Just go ahead, apply these changes, and see if the problem persists or not. Now, if the problem still persists, you want to open up your settings, go to Windows Update and check if you have any updates on Windows. Make sure that your operating system is up to date. Also, you need to check if your drivers are up to date. So for example, I'm using NVIDIA, so NVIDIA drivers are right there. And as you can see, there's update available for me. There's also some studio drivers also has an update. So you want to go ahead and download those updates on NVIDIA app itself or some other app which you are using, like AMD and so on. Now, if that didn't fix the problem, open up Steam, go on Counter-Strike, right click on it, go to properties, and on launch options, you want to write down -Vulkan. See if the problem persists or not. If the problem is still there, you want to also write down autoconfig and windowed. Just like so. And now see if the problem was fixed or not. If the problem is still there, you want to go ahead and go to Counter-Strike properties, installed files, and browse. On browse, you want to go ahead and find CS2 exe file. So it would be on game, then bin, then Win64, and then CS2 exe file. You want to go ahead and just delete it. After you have deleted the file, you want to go ahead and open up properties again. On properties, you want to go on installed files and just verify integrity of the game files. It will fix if it will basically show if CS2 exe file is corrupted maybe, and so on and so forth. Now, after that, if that didn't fix the problem, you want to again browse it, go to the same location, find CS2 exe file, right click on it, go to properties, click compatibility, and you want to go ahead and run it in compatibility mode for Windows 8 and disable full screen optimizations. Click apply and OK. If after this your game doesn't open up, you want to open it up again and untick these two and apply and OK. Now, a few last things you want to do is go ahead and open up your settings, graphics settings. So that would be on system, on display, and then graphics. Now on graphics, you want to go ahead and find advanced graphics settings, click on it, and make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. And after that, you want to find here CS2. And you want to make sure that it is set on high performance. And that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.